Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Artist Satyanikal. I am your host Satyanikal. So in this video, remember the first video I ever made, you know, one based on science and with turmeric and so, oh, yeah, I am going to remake it, but not with turmeric this time. You see, I remembered that there is another indicator that is very commonly available. That is a hibiscus flower solution. So the thing, how the way it works is, the turmeric solution that I used, well, it only reacts with bases such as soap, detergent powder solution, and so on. But this hibiscus water solution is not that same. It actually works with acids and bases. The thing is, for the turmeric solution, it turns the bases into red color. But for this hibiscus solution, when added to acid, it turns the acids into magenta color, and it also turns bases into green color from my memory in my science class. So I covered, you may not be able to see this, but I covered a portion of some paper shaped like a flower with acid, that is lemon solution, and a stem part with a detergent solution. So let's see. I'm going to go boil some hibiscus to get the solution, and then let's see what is going to happen when we sprinkle or apply some of it to this paper. So let's go. Okay, so I'm here. I'm going to pluck one or two flowers. I'm going to go boil these now and see. So as you see in that mini time lapse it did get a little pigmented because of some part of the flower. So yeah, here it goes. This isn't why isn't it working? Wait second. Why isn't it working? Oh no, God, please no. Well, it is outlining. I guess that's nice. Okay, let's see. Is it happening here? No. No. Oh God, no. Wait, why isn't it happening? So that didn't work out. So I'm going to try something. Okay, now I'm going to take this solution. Sorry, this solution that the dishwasher. I'm going to apply it here. Now I'm going to make it wet with this. As you can see, it's not working. So wait. Is this the problem with the general solution? This hibiscus solution is not working. Yeah, so that was a failure. But I assure you that it's correct. Just type China rose as an indicator, and I am very sure you will get results in Google search that tell that China rose, that is the hibiscus solution. I don't know whether the terms are interchangeable. I am going to use them interchangeably, but I remember very nicely. I remember very clearly in the 6th class as that the China rose solution or the hibiscus solution were used as indicators. I even remember seeing them used. I don't know whether these acids or base, it's not working because the acids or the bases are very weak. I don't know why. I'm going to do some searching and I'm going to tell you guys next week. So bye. So yeah, I found that my mother is telling that it needs to be a different color, so I'm going to try with the red color. So yeah, I'm going to tell you what's going to happen now. So everyone, yeah, like my mom said, I tried with the like the red color. So yeah, I tried a few. It is not working with the bases, but it's kind of working with the acids. So when I add it to the acid, it is giving, wait a second, slightly giving a sort of pink color, as you can see here. Can you see this pink color? Yeah, it is giving this pink color. It's very nice pink color. Yeah, but wait a second. Oh, wait, this got red, so I'm going to use the other tip. So oh wait, yeah, as you can see, this is the reaction when added to the acid, but when added to the base, nothing. Yeah, I'm sure this science experiment became sort of a failure, but I mean, at least it's working with the acid. Wait, let me just show you how nicely it's working with the acid. Mm, this is some acid, and this, when, as you can see, what a nice pink color. It changed the acid perfectly into a pinkish red color. Yeah, but for some reason it's not working with the bases as it is supposed to. Yeah, so it is kind of a failure, kind of not. Yeah, so if you like this video, please subscribe and like this video, and please comment, because week 3 and 4 are based on your comment ideas. By the way, this is how nice the red solution looks. You know, the acid plus hibiscus solution. Yeah. Bad luck it didn't come onto paper though. Bye.